In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the exterior door handle on the passenger side cargo door of this Ford E-350. This is riveted on, so you'll need a drill and some drill bits, as well as rivets and a rivet gun for this job. Let's get started. To remove this door panel, we have to start by taking this handle off. Sometimes the screw holes have little caps. Mine are missing, so I'm just going to take a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws, and then the handle. The rest of the door panel has a lot of push clips that go all around. Use the trim tool, pop them all off, and then remove the panel. With all of them out, take this panel off. Inside of the door, you'll see this cable that we have to pop out. Push it outward out of this bracket. Oh, there we go. That just completely popped off of its retainer. So there we go. We'll set that aside. On the outside of the door handle, this is riveted in. So we'll have to take a drill bit and drill through the rivets to pop them out. However, before we do that, I do have one trick that sometimes works. That is taking a punching out the center of the rivet. Sometimes, depending on the rivet, it will let go and you'll be able to pull this handle off without actually drilling anything. We'll give it a try, but worst case, we'll drill it through. Well, it looks like that's not going to work for me. That's okay. I'm going to take a center punch, mark the center of this so I can drill it out. Alright, so the cap from the rivet fell off. That happens sometimes. The center is steel and the edge is aluminum, so if your drill bit slips a little bit at all, it's actually just going to drill out the aluminum first. So we'll keep going. Well, there's the first one. All right. Now we do the same on the bottom. All right, twist it, there's the handle. Personally, I like to apply a little bit of grease to the holes that the rivets are going to go in, just so that there's no metal on metal contact without any anti-corrosive coating. Take the new door handle and slide it into the door. Once you have it in position, take your rivet gun, install the appropriately sized rivet, stick it through the handle and through the door, and clamp it on. And we'll do the bottom. Perfect. Door handle is clamped on. Now on the inside of the door, let's reinstall the cable. Reach up for it. If you can't find it, most likely it went straight up. And let's hook in the end of it right onto this lever. There we go. And then this retainer looks like a fork, houses and secures the end of the cable. So press that in. You could use a little pry bar to help it out. Just be gentle. There we go. That's locked in. So now if you operate the door handle from the outside, perfect. Everything works as it should. Take that door panel, line it up, and push in all the push clips to secure it. And lastly, reinstall the grab handle. Tighten up these 2 screws. Just give it a quick snug after it bottoms out. And if yours had the little caps that hide the screws, go ahead and put those on, and job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.